Alright guys, this is Chuck with B4. We want to take the time to show you our CoPilot. This is the second video in a series that we're going to do here. We're going to go ahead, before we get started with the CoPilot, we're going to draw a few supply and demand zones here, just looking at price action. We're going to put that on the screen here. We just want to see some areas here, some fluctuation points. Let's go ahead and get that drawn in there. Some areas of expectation. Let's see what the CoPilot's going to do here. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. We got CoPilot set up right out of the box with its default settings. It looks for 3 stacked imbalances. That condition has not been met yet, so we have not initiated an order. I'm noticing the amount of volatility we have here. Okay, there's our order. We're going to go ahead and adjust this, pull this on down according to our supply and demand zones here. We're in 2 contracts right here. We're going to go ahead and adjust that. There we go. And there's a large area here between our targets. You may also know I don't have CoPilot rearmed. That's something you can do if you would like it to initiate further orders. We have a very easy to use, intuitive interface. Come on. Come on now, we're getting a little movement out of it. Alright, come on, there we go. Getting a little push there. Alright, we've taken out our first target. Our stop loss automatically moved for us according to our ATM strategy. There we go. Because of the volatility in this move, we're going to go ahead and manually pull the stop down. Alright, we have another stacked and balanced come in there, so that's a perfect place to put the stop loss. You know, also we have a large order, sell order that came in. Let's go ahead and move it down and guard behind there. Alright, now there's a larger sell order right there. Alright guys, there we go. It hit our target, $1,375. CoPilot just makes it so easy with the stacked imbalances, with order flow reading, the advanced charting that we've come up with here, especially with our background trend color. Really makes it really easy. Check out our link below to our Discord channel and check out our testimonials. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.